Yo, so pretty like a money. Look at that. Look at that. This looks bomb. Who always starts the romance? Guys, I just rolled out of bed and you know what I feel for? Some red pea soup. And since it's quarantine time and I can't go out to get the exact things I want to make red pea soup, I remember that I have some oxtail in the freezer and I have some pig's tail in the freezer. So I'm going to make some red pea soup right now. So I have this oxtail. This is how big the cuts here in France are. I find this oxtail in the supermarket last week and I bought it. It's one big piece, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just 8 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces. So I'm gonna pressure this oxtail with some red peas while I scald up the pig's tail. So I'm just taking you guys along with me on this oxtail pig's tail experiment red pea soup. So let's do this. I was just laying down in the bed and reminiscing that, geez, if I was in Jamaica, it's Saturday, so it would be soup day. So I feel for soup. So I wash the peas and have the pig's tail in here, the oxtail in here. There's an oxtail in, so I'm just gonna let this pressure for a while. Step 1. And in the meantime, I'm putting this pig's tail to boil because it's very salty. So let's go. Okay, you guys, so the trial and error is still on. The peas finish. I had pressured the peas earlier. With the oxtail, but then I realized that the oxtail cook really fast, and because it's soup I don't want it to mash out, so I had to take them out and put them in a bowl, and then I had cut up the pig's tail and add it to it. So now that the pig's tail is almost finished cooking and the peas is finished cooking, I'm going to transfer everything now to a next pot to make everything finish cook. So let's transfer everything and add all our other ingredients. I'm gonna use this pot. So right now I'm gonna add in my oxtail that cooked earlier, and then I'm gonna add my peas and the pig's tail and the liquid that's left in the pot. Alright, here we go. That's all our soup liquid in there. Alright guys, so this is in my pot right now. That's in the pot right now. And I'm gonna add everything else real quick. I'm gonna add some coconut milk, which I have here, which was in my freezer, all frozen. I'm gonna add coconut milk in there. So let that melt out, and I'm gonna add these carrots. Yes. And I'm gonna add Irish potatoes, and I'm gonna add some thyme and some garlic in there. And if you realize I haven't added any salt just yet because the pig's tail itself is salty, so I'm gonna wait and add my salt at the last minute. And now I am going to add some dumplings, but I want my dumplings really small, so I'm making them small and nice.
Mama, can I taste?
Not yet, baby, not yet. When it finish cooking, you'll taste it. Honey, can you come and take down cock soup from up top for me, please? I'm just making my dumplings this small because I don't want them too big. And then I'm gonna make some spinners and throw that in there too. And I'm gonna mix it as I go along because I don't want nothing sticking. I need to throw some more water in this because I don't want all the liquid to go away.
Okay, I'm going to.
All this need right now is a big hot pepper, which I don't have, so make sure if you try this soup you drop a hot pepper in it. And it needs scallion, which I don't have, so make sure if you try it you drop scallion in it. And you can put yam in it, you can put whatever else you normally put in soup, you can put in it. Okay, so right now I'll be adding these bad boys. So I'm gonna put one first and see where my taste is, and then I'll add a second one. Go around here. So what you doing? What you doing?
Mama,
Ty, go around here. So
what is in that box?
these that I just took out to make soup.
What is it called?
Cock soup.
Oh.
So I'm adding cock soup to the soup mix right now. I'm adding just one, just to see where my flavor is, and then I'll add another if I need to add another. So pata bubble, pata bubble. Okay, so I think I need to add a second one. So I'm gonna add a second one to it right now. All right, I'm gonna taste it and then I'm gonna add a little salt. I'm gonna add a little salt to it because I think it will need a little salt. But at the road still. All right. No need a salt, goodie. You don't need no salt, goodie. So I'm just gonna let this cook and then we'll check back on it in a while. Yo, so pretty like a money. Look at that. Look at that. This looks bomb. I'm just gonna give it a few more minutes and then we turn it off. Alright, you guys, there you have it. Our soup is an absolute success. Look at that. Look at all that goodness. Oh gosh. I have to put this on my food channel. How can I hairstyle this, ma'am? Anyway, you guys, that's where we're gonna end the vlog for today. How was the soup, baby?
That was good. Oh, that was good. It was two different flavors. The first one, like the top part, it was much more flavor and it was so good, thick and good. After it's become less strong, maybe because it's the bottom, I don't know. But no, it was very good. I'm not a big fan of Jamaican soup, but this one I give.
What did you say when you taste it? What did you say to me when you taste it? Remember what you said to me when you taste it? You said it's the best soup.
It's the best soup I ever had. It's the best Jamaican soup I ever had.
It was bomb.
Oh,
it was
yes.
so good.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
What do you want to say?
And I could just get the liquid.
I want to help you.
To do what? To end the vlog?
Yeah.
What you want to say to Faves? Because you guys weren't in today's vlog. What you want to say to Faves?
You need to be nice.
That.
Are you nice?
Yes.
Yes.
When-
Yes.
When-
What you have to say?
When every time and one day, Papa had tell me that I can't go.
Okay. Go back in your room and play. Go play in your room. Tell the Faves bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you guys tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
And I know you guys will be jealous if you don't see Sarah. Sarah, look. Sarah, look. Look. Say hello. Say bye-bye. Bye. To end this vlog, we're going to pick up a few questions that I got after I already filmed the Q&A. So this question is coming from Misha_23. And Misha asked, who always starts the romance? Crickets. You're not gonna answer the question. There's no
A 50
specific person. Yeah, it's 50-50. Sometimes your girl is hard and heavy and she just go for it. And sometimes
Most of the time.
what? Lies. But anyway, to answer your question, Misha, it's 50-50. It's 50-50. Trust me, it's 50-50. It would be sad if it's just a one-way thing. So yeah, that was a question from Misha. And another question is coming from Simone Fabulous, from my girl Simone. And I actually had missed this question from Simone. So Simone asked, for the Q&A, how did you feel moving to a country where you know minimal amount of people and had no family members there other than Ludo family, of course? Worse, you don't speak the language. Hope you okay. And worse, you don't speak the language. Honestly, moving here while I was in Jamaica, my thought wasn't about thinking about how I would struggle with the language, and I know I would miss my family and stuff. But when I came, it actually was 50-50, to be honest. I miss my family, but then I had babe, if that kind of makes sense. And I struggled the first few years not speaking the language because I didn't speak it any at all when I moved here. So I would always have to depend on babe, and I would just stuck in the house because I wanted to stuck in the house and don't go out, because of course I didn't want to look foolish and I didn't want to go out and don't understand anything on my own. So the first 2-3 years was hard, but after that I gained a little confidence and started to go out, right? No?
I can say that.
Yeah, so it was hard at first, but
You
at
have
the
to be
same
pushed
time,
for
oh
that.
yeah, you do it for the love. We do it for the love. We do it for the love. So hopefully
With
I
your
can
cold hand.
ow. So hopefully
Yeah,
I
with that
answer you.
cold hand.
Anyway, you guys, so that's the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and make sure you go ahead and try the oxtail and pigtail soup and tell me how it turned out for you. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.